ऐसा हेलो मैम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैडम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैडम।
स्पीकर
Walaikum
म्यूट।
assalam.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
आई एम
अस्सलाम
फाइन
वालेकुम
एंड यू?
Walaikum assalam. Just wait. I'm taking your attendance, okay?
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
give me a time. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Mom.
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम।
Walaikum assalam. Mahmood.
This is our new student, ma'am.
Who is?
I'm Muhammad Runju Ahmed.
Ranju Ahmed. Okay.
Good evening,
मैडम, my
madam.
name is Onimesh Mazumdar.
Okay. I know. You are the brilliant student. Animesh. Wait, just give me a minute, okay?
Okay.
Animesh is present. And Mahmood.
Ma'am, Maidul Islam.
Yes, Mahadul Islam. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, present. And Muhammad Ali.
यस मैम।
And Raqibul Islam. How are you, Raqib?
Yes, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Good.
You are looking so gorgeous, ma'am.
Just wait, please. Just wait, please. Yes. MD Ranju Ahmad. Okay.
Yes,
He's a new student.
ma'am.
Today is
Yeah,
your
I am the new student, your best. Yeah,
okay. So today is your first class.
yes, sir.
You missed many classes. You know.
Sorry, I cannot understand your speech, madam. Can you speak in loudly, madam?
Yes. Okay. You missed many classes.
Okay.
Yeah, but I am very much confident that I can complete these classes, inshallah. If I
Are you
will
sure?
get the, yeah, I can, inshallah.
Okay. Inshallah.
If you help me, inshallah.
Yeah. Inshallah. Allah will
Just
give.
give me
Allah
the-
will help you.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. And so should I start?
Yes.
Only
Yes, ma'am.
wait.
Let's go.
Only
Start our class.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6? ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर?
Weather demand, madam. Weather demand. Weather is
Very
Weather is very
bad.
bad, very bad.
क्या
Very
होगा तुम लोगों का? पेपर है इस महीने में, मुझे पूरा टारगेट करना है.
कुछ नहीं होगा।
अल्लाह ही समझेगा. अल्लाह ही यहाँ से तुम लोगों का 7 तोपों की सलामी देनी है. दोनों हाथों से सैल्यूट करती हूँ तुम सबको.
अल्लाह मदद करेगा।
इंशाल्लाह.
इंशाल्लाह।
Especially Mr. Mohammad Ranju. He's so confident. He's so confident.
Yeah, because I can do. I already saw your syllabus, and I am very much confident, inshallah, by the help of my course teacher, I will be able to complete the all classes if I will get the already before supplied the courses outlines and courses materials, then I can complete, inshallah.
Inshallah. So wait. Okay. let me share. Okay.
Okay.
Today
Okay.
today we will study the elements of life. In this chapter, we study about the requirements of to live the organisms, for the microorganisms. Okay. So here we study the like nutrition, their growth, their favorable conditions, which is required for the growth of microorganisms. Here in this topic, we will discuss. Okay. Mm, First of all, I would like to say something. Like मैं ये चाहूँगी आप लोगों का कि every Thursday and Friday I will take your class because your course is too long, and I will have to cover to complete your course, your syllabus. So I will have to manage your class like every Thursday and Friday. Okay, today is Friday, so from coming week, every Thursday and every Friday, your class will be held. Okay.
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 Madam, excuse me, what time, madam, please?
It depends upon the administrator. Mostly on Thursday, they arrange the class at night because many students are doing work.
Yeah.
So that's why they arrange. And today also he arranged. In fact, he told me today that your class at 8:30. I was shocked. In the evening, I will usually I take the class. I have taken class in the evening, like 3 to 4 p.m.
Yeah.
But today is the 8:30. So, and maybe the time may be extend like from I will take class like 1 to 2 hours.
Yeah.
Because my target is to complete the topic.
So,
Okay?
madam, if you
Not
don't mind-
complete the topic, to understand, you will have to understand this topic.
Inshallah.
If you will satisfied, then I will carry on the another topic. Okay, otherwise I will not go anywhere. When you will satisfied, I will leave you. Okay.
Okay.
Mom, MD Ranju,
Yes, madam.
Can you speak Urdu? Do you
No,
understand
no.
Urdu?
I cannot understand, but I visited Karachi, Pakistan 2 times, but actually I cannot. I understand a little bit, thoda.
Okay, चलता है सब थोड़ा चलता है.
But actually it is comfort for me for English.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Madam,
Okay.
how can I get all the previous documents and lectures? Can you help me? Our email, I can give you my email ID. That's if you
No,
send us.
actually, the management didn't allow me to coordinate with the students.
Okay.
So you can coordinate with these students.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
They will like Mahmoodul Hassan. They
Yes,
will you will
Okay.
send him all
Mahmoodul Hassan.
Mahmoodul Hassan, Muhammad Ali Zina, Rakibul Islam.
Okay, Rakibul Islam is
misses
very
many
much close to
classes.
me. I have the good relation with Mr. Rakibul Islam.
Yeah, he he's a nice man.
Yeah.
But he missed too much classes.
No, ma'am.
Since
No.
last week. No, you absent.
No, ma'am.
You was absent. You was absent.
Yes,
In
ma'am,
fact,
yes.
you was post on your pictures on the Facebook, but you was absent in the class.
वो आपको पता चल गया.
Yeah. Okay, just leave it. Come to the point. Okay, let's
Okay.
start the class.
Okay, ma'am. Let's go start our class.
Okay, Sakin, welcome. Wait, let me. Okay, after class I will. अच्छा महमूदुल हसन, याद रखना कौन कौन आया हुआ है. जिनकी मैंने अटेंडेंस ले ली है तो ले लिए, फिर मैं बाद में भी ले लूंगी.
Okay, ma'am.
Assalamu
ठीक है?
alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam. Make sure, please keep silence in your background and turn on your camera and
Ma'am.
turn on your mic.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm Sir Ariful Haq, female.
Hmm?
I'm Sir Ariful Haq. How are you, ma'am? I'm Ariful, ma'am.
Okay. Arful Haq, yes.
Ma'am, I'm feel sick. I suffering cold fever.
Okay. So you will not take a class, okay? Right?
No,
Exam
ma'am.
is very nearly and
No, ma'am.
you
Ma'am,
all of you.
ma'am, my I want to my cam off.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
I attend this
Just
class.
do concentrate on your lecture, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
So
you.
ma'am.
should I start? Are
Okay,
you, yeah. So महमूदुल हसन प्लीज देखते जाओ कौन कौन आ रहे हैं, ठीक है? फिर क्लास के आखिर में मुझे बता देना, जैसे मैंने बाकियों की तो लगा आरिफुल हक की, अब्दुल्लाई की, साकिन की रह गई है, इनके अटेंडेंस मुझे बता देना आप, ठीक है? याद दिला देना. ओके. सो एलिमेंट्स ऑफ लाइफ, केमिकल एनालिसिस ऑफ सेल्स शोज, ये कहाँ गए? ओके है, मैं नहीं चले. So chemical analysis of cells shows that over 95% of cell dry weight is made up of a few major elements like carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. So here we are talking about the cell, the major nutrients, the major elements which is required for the growth or of the microorganisms, like bacteria, fungi, virus, all microorganisms. Okay. So 95% of cells are dry weight, and which is made up of like a few major elements. And which elements? Like carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. So these are called the macro elements or macronutrients. Okay, just remember these are the macro elements or macronutrients because they are required in relatively large amount. So these like phosphorus, potassium, sodium, potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, oxygen, hydrogen, magnesium, and iron, these are called the macro elements. Sakin, please come on the cam. Mahmudul Hassan, please come on the cam. Abdullahi. Yes. Oh, Sakin is doing job. Keep it up, bacha. Now.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am.
No problem. Everything is fair in studies, during studies. Okay. So next is the macro, because they are required in relatively large amount. So these elements, these macro elements is required in large amount for the growth of the microorganisms. And these first six, which one is the first six? Like carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. These compounds are the carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. And the remaining four macro elements exist in the cell. Exist in the cell. So they remain in the cell as a cations and play a variety of roles. And the remaining like phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. These are performed like cations or anions. Like they perform a role like cations. Okay, they exchange the ions, like positive ions is moved towards the negative ions and negative ions is moved towards the positive ions, as we studied the above below. So Next is the, for example, potassium is required for activity by a number of enzymes. For example, potassium for the activity of potassium is required for the for activity by a number of enzymes, including some involved in protein synthesis. Okay, so here the potassium, the function and the role of the potassium is required for the activity by a number of enzymes, and the calcium among and just a minute. And the calcium among their function contributes to the heat resistance of bacterial endospores. So calcium and other functions is performed as the endospores. As we studied the last class, the structure of the bacterial cell. So calcium and other functions like potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium. So they perform they perform the role that the heat resistance of bacterial endospores. Magnesium serves as a cofactor of many enzymes, complex with the ATP. What is the ADP? What is the ADP?
Adenosine diphosphate.
Adenosine triphosphate.
ATP, tri.
Yes, adenosine triphosphate. And it stabilizes the ribosomes and cell membrane. Okay, so the function of the magnesium in the cell, the function of the magnesium is a cofactor for many enzymes and complexes with the ATP and stabilized ribosomes. And you know what is the ribosomes and cell membrane? What is the ribosome? Please don't search. Don't search. What is the ribosomes? What is the cell membrane?
The outer part of the cell, actually, cell membrane.
Cell membrane is outer of
One
cell.
by one, one by one,
Protective
one
cell.
by one, one by one.
Outer layer.
What is the outer layer? Your outer layer? The
No,
house
ma'am.
of the outer layer?
No,
What is the
ma'am.
outer layer?
Outer layer of cell.
Outer layer
Outer
of the
layer
cell.
of cell.
And what is the function of cell membrane?
Semi-membrane. We can say the semi-membrane permissible the outer shell. That is
Okay.
called the called the cell membrane.
Okay. Outer, but the cell wall is the outer layer, I think so.
Yeah.
Cell wall is the outer layer, and cell membrane is located inside the cell wall.
Okay. Okay. Understood.
Okay.
Okay,
Cell
understood.
wall is the outer layer, and inside the cell wall, cell membrane is over there, and it's a semi-permeable membrane.
Yes, this is the semi-permeable.
Yeah, through which nutrients and water molecules and osmosis, in other words, osmosis process can take place.
Yeah, I understand. Thank you.
Okay.
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 And
Okay.
What's the function of cell wall?
Protection of cell.
To protect the inner part of the cell, actually in the cell, the nucleus, nucleolus, cytoplasm, endoplasm, the different parts of the cell, thus it protect
Good.
the cell wall.
Good. So, and iron, Fe2 plus and Fe3
Miss,
plus.
ma'am, excuse me, please. Would you kindly say something regarding the ribosomes? I want to know something more regarding ribosomes.
Ribosomes is present inside the cell, and it involves in the protein synthesis, and many processes is going on through the ribosomes.
Thank you so much.
Which is
Okay, ma'am.
required for the cell.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Mahmoodul Hassan, please contact him
Yes,
okay,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and convey my all lectures since
Yeah.
first class, from first class till last class. Okay, give him. Okay, and if he will,
Mahmudul Hassan, assalamu alaikum, brother. Ma'am, if you give me the permission, just I am requesting him, please. Just I will give you my email. Please send me the all
after
documents.
class,
Okay.
please, after class.
Thank
Okay,
you.
after class you may contact him. Okay, after class you may contact him and he will
My
give you
class শেষে আপনি আমার
everything.
সাথে যোগাযোগ করেন, ঠিক আছে?
Okay, so
Okay.
should I continue?
Yeah,
Yes,
let's go.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So iron is a part of some molecules involved in the synthesis of ATP by electron transport. Okay. Iron, yeah. So what's the function of iron? If examiner will ask that what's the function of iron, it may be asked in the MCQs. It may be asked in the short questions. And what's the function of calcium? What is the function of iron in the element of life? Yeah, in the cell. What's the function of iron? So just explain this. It's a part of some molecules involved in the synthesis of ATP by electron transport. Okay. And macro elements, all microorganisms require several nutrients in a small amount. So usually present adequate amounts to support the growth of microbes. These nutrients are called micronutrients. Okay. Usually present in adequate amount, macro elements. All here we are talking about the like microorganisms. Okay. So all our microorganisms require several nutrients. Okay. They require several means many nutrients, but in just a small amount, just in a few
Small
amount.
amount.
Yeah, few quantity. Okay, in a small amount, several like many nutrients is required, but in a small amount. And this is usually present in adequate amount. Yeah, like this is a adequate amount to support the growth of microbes. Okay. So these nutrients are called micronutrients or trace elements. Okay. So this is a definition of micro. If examiner will ask like what's the trace elements or define trace elements, so you can say all microorganisms require several nutrients in small amount and usually present in adequate amount to support the growth of the microbes. So these nutrients are called trace elements. So micronutrients, what's a micronutrients? Manganese, zinc, cobalt, molybdenum, nickel, and copper are needed by most cells. And just remember, micronutrients and macro elements or macronutrients. Okay, it's a different. Micro elements and macro elements is a different. So the micronutrients, manganese, zinc, cobalt, molybdenum, nickel, and copper needed by the most cells. Micronutrients are normally a part of enzymes and as a cofactors, and they aid or they help in the catalysis of reactions and maintain of protein structure. Okay, so these micronutrients help as a part of enzymes and cofactor, and they help to normally the part of help in the reactions, catalysis of reactions, and maintains a protein structure. Okay, it maintains that protein. If these nutrients are not present in the cell can be destroyed, the cell can be damaged. This is the important nutrients which is required for the growth of microorganisms. Okay, for example, zinc is present. Here we explain the further where is this zinc perform their function. Zinc is present at the active sites of some enzymes. Okay, where enzymes is produced in the cell. So zinc perform their function over there. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Any problem?
No
No,
problem,
ma'am.
Okay. And manganese helps many enzymes. Manganese helps many enzymes that catalyze the transfer of phosphate, and molybdenum is required for nitrogen fixation. Just highlight this thing, the definition and their function. As I told you in the previous class, the most important thing is in any question, the concept, their chemical properties, okay, and their function.
Okay.
Here we are talking about the nutrients, so you will have to know what's the function of each nutrient. Like magnesium का क्या function है, उसका क्या role है, what's the function of magnesium, what's the play important role of magnesium in the cell, you will have to know. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
just highlight this one.
Okay.
Just highlight the whole, like calcium as we studied the above, and like this magnesium and molybdenum. Okay, molybdenum is required for the nitrogen fixation, and cobalt is a component of vitamin B12. All organisms, yeah. Okay, now come to the next. Now come to the next. Requirement for carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and electrons. So all organisms need carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and a source of electrons. Carbon is needed to synthesize the organic molecules from which organisms are built. Okay, so carbon is needed to synthesize when the organic molecule is synthesized by and carbon is needed, and from which organism are built. So it shows that carbon is a major component which is used for the growth, for the build of the microorganisms. So hydrogen and oxygen are also important elements found in many organic molecules. Okay, just highlight this thing. Just highlight this thing. All organisms need carbons from here and in many organic molecules. Just highlight this. Now come to the next line after 1, 2, 3. Like after 3 lines, electrons also are needed. Just highlight this. Highlight karo isko. Electrons also are needed to reduce molecules during biosynthesis. For example, the reduction of carbon dioxide to form organic molecule. The requirements of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen usually are satisfied together because molecules serving. Just wait, please. अभी नहीं कर रहे, अभी ठहर के करूँ. Sorry. I'm sorry. So this requirements of carbon, these requirements of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen usually are satisfied together because molecules serving as a carbon sources often contribute hydrogen and oxygen as well. For instance, many heterotrophs, organisms that perform organic molecules as their carbon source. So heterotrophs, organisms use the organic molecules as their carbon source, can also obtain hydrogen, oxygen, and electrons from the same molecule. Okay. Because the electrons provided by the organic carbon sources can be used in electron transport as well as in the other oxidation reduction reaction, many heterotrophs also use their carbon. Just watch this 6.1. Table 6.1.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So here's the autotroph and heterotrophs. What is the autotrophs? What is the autotroph? No one is know? Auto
I don't know,
means
madam.
self.
Now,
Auto
No.
means self.
self.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Those organisms which prepare their food by own self. Okay, and those organisms which prepare their food from another organisms for another source. Okay, just
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
this thing. Auto means self, automatic. We use like automatically.
Yes, ma'am.
No extra source will be applied. Okay, automatically. So
Automatically.
yeah. So just like autotrophs, those organisms which prepare their food from their self, like a carbon dioxide soul or principal biosynthetic carbon source. Heterotrophs, organic molecules from the other organisms. Okay, they get carbon as a or organic molecules from other organisms. They cannot prepare by their self. And what is the source of energy? Obviously, just suppose you will have to prepare your food. From where you can get?
Like
Tell me.
starch. Like starch.
Okay, so here you will need some energy, some sources. Okay, for your growth. Okay, so here is also using energy sources like phototrophs, light. Obviously, phototroph is a phototropic is an example of plants. Plants prepare their food in the presence of light,
Yes.
in the presence of sunlight. Okay,
Right.
yeah. So these are the phototrophs.
Then sunlight means early first morning.
You can say early morning till evening, doesn't matter. But in the presence of light, plant can prepare their food. These are phototrophs. Okay, and energy source is another one is the chemotrophs. What's the chemotrophs? Oxidation of organic or inorganic compounds. Okay, this is the
Okay.
chemotrophs. Yeah, and electron sources. What's the electron sources?
Ions.
Lithotrophs. Lithotroph, they reduce inorganic molecules. Okay, organotrophs, organic molecules. Just remember this chart. This is enough for the sources of carbon, energy, and electrons. Okay,
Okay.
now come to this next page. Carbon, yeah. The carbon source as an energy source, as we studied in the chart, Indeed, the more reduced the organic carbon source, more electron it carries. The higher its energy content, the lipids have a higher energy content than carbohydrate. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry,
Madam,
yes.
leave me because OT of uric stone of
Sorry.
kidney.
Okay, okay.
Because OT uric stone of kidney.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
कहाँ पे? Just wait. I'm sorry. So next is the other microbes are autotrophs. Other microbes are autotrophs, organisms that use carbon dioxide as their sole or principal source of carbon, as we studied in the 6.1 table. So although this is the detail and the summary is in the chart. So although carbon dioxide is a plentiful, it is used carbon dioxide, okay? Carbon dioxide is the main, you can say, the principal source of carbon. So carbon dioxide is the most oxidized form of carbon, lacks of hydrogen, and is unable to donate electron during oxidation reduction reaction. Okay, when carbon dioxide, okay, therefore carbon dioxide cannot be used as a source of hydrogen, electron, or energy. Just remember, carbon dioxide is used only for the source of carbon. And if the hydrogen is absent, so there is no electron can donate for oxidation and reduction process. And carbon dioxide cannot be used like hydrogen or electrons or energy. Okay? Because carbon dioxide cannot supply their energy needs. Autotrophs must obtain energy from other sources. Obviously,
Excuse me,
autotrophs.
ma'am.
Yes.
So what we really understand about the oxidation and reduction? A little bit. Actually, I want to know actually what is the main fundamental function of oxidation reduction reaction, madam?
Oxidation reduction is a process in which the gaining of electron and the loss of electron.
So when loss and when gain?
It is in the process. Have you studied the electrolysis? The breakdown of molecules.
Yeah.
Okay, the breakdown of molecules in which the two molecules, like you can take the example water, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, when you pass the electricity in the water, so hydrogen and oxygen is breakdown into two, like hydrogen and oxygen, and oxygen have a negative charge because they are taking the electron, and hydrogen taking the positive charge because they are losing the electron.
So we can say that in the oxidation, the loss of electron, and in the reduction, gain of electron. Am I right?
Exactly.
Thank you.
Should I continue?
Yes, please, please.
Okay.
Madam.
Okay. So, कहाँ थी? Okay. So because carbon dioxide cannot supply their energy needs, autotrophs must obtain energy from other sources, such as a light or reduced inorganic molecules. Okay. Autotrophs required obtain much energy. Obviously, every organisms, every human cell, every microbial cell, every plant cell, every cell needs the energy. And the energy may be obtained from the other sources like light and reduced inorganic molecules. So, so nutritional types of microorganisms, because the need of carbon, energy, and electrons is so important biologist. We have already seen that microorganism can be classified as either heterotrophs or autotrophs. Only two sources of energy are available to microorganisms. Only two sources is required for the growth of or for their life of microorganisms, is the light energy and the energy which is derived from oxidizing organic or inorganic molecules. Okay, these are the two sources. Organisms can can take the energy from the sunlight, from the light, and maybe it can take from the oxidizing like organic or inorganic molecules. Phototrophs use, just highlight this thing, okay? Only two sources, just highlight this thing. So phototrophs use light as their energy source. Obviously, photo means light. Obviously, phototrophs use light as their energy source, and chemotrophs obtain their energy from the oxidation of chemical compounds like organic or inorganic compounds. Microorganisms also have only two sources of electrons. As we studied in the chart, lithotrophs use reduced inorganic substances as their electron source, whereas the organotrophs extract electrons from reduced organic compounds. So despite the great metabolic diversity seen in microorganisms, most may be placed in one of 5 nutritional classes based on their primary source of carbon, energy, and electrons. The majority of microorganisms thus far studied are either photolithotrophs or chemoorganoheterotrophic. So now further the organisms is divided in the photolithoautotrophs. It may be simple called, yeah, it's a very long, I know, but
No,
photo,
ma'am. Long but easily. Longly but easily.
photo like photograph, okay? Litho, autotroph, okay? It may be like simple photoautotrophs. Photo is comes from light and autotrophs means self-made. Self-made means खुद prepare करते हैं, self-made. They prepare their food by themselves.
Yeah.
Okay, so they use light energy. Obviously, photo words shows photo. Photo shows that they use light energy and have carbon dioxide as their carbon source. And photosynthetic protists and cyanobacteria employ water as the electron donor. Yeah. Release oxygen, other fall. Okay. Just look at this 6.2.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Just look at the 6.2. Nutritional type, photolithoautotrope, photoorganoheterotroph. You can learn like photoorganoheterotroph, chemolithoautotroph, chemolithoheterotroph. Okay, first is the autotroph, now second is the heterotroph, then again next is the autotroph, then again is the heterotroph. Okay, first
Okay,
one is the photolithoautotroph. Photolithoautotroph.
ma'am.
Second is the photoorganoheterotroph. Chemolithoautotroph.
Chemolithoheterotroph.
Chemolithoheterotroph. Chemoorganoheterotroph.
Heterotroph.
Okay, here's the difference just between like a photo and chemo. Photo is comes from the light, and chemo is comes from the light, like organic, from the organic compound or dead material. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
like dead bodies. Dead bodies. When the dead bodies is after few hours, you can say just bones is remaining over there, and the carbon is taking from dead bones, because they are the main source of carbon. Okay, so they act just like a organo.
Organo.
Okay, heterotia. So carbon source is the carbon dioxide, and photoorgano, obviously organo shows the organic carbon. Chemolitho is a chemolithoautotroph is carbon dioxide, carbon source, and organic carbon, organic. Obviously, when we are talking like organo and chemo, there obviously carbon, organic carbon is involved. And what is the energy? Where photo word is used, just remember energy source is the light. Okay, where photo word is used, just remember this is a trick of microbiology. Okay, where photo word is the use, it means light. Source of energy is the light. And where chemo word is used, it means inorganic chemicals are involved. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, is a cyanobacteria. Okay. No, it's not necessary. Representative microorganism. It's not necessary.
लगता है important नहीं है.
What?
Nothing. कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, okay. हाँ, कुछ नहीं है. Okay. Now come to the next. The other nutritional types have a few known microorganisms, like, but are very important ecologically. Some
Ecosystem, like ecosystem.
Yeah, ecosystem.
Okay, ma'am.
Some photosynthetic bacteria. Some photosynthetic bacteria, the purple and green bacteria. Okay. And they use organic matter as their electron donor and carbon sources. The photoorganoheterotrophs are the common inhabitants of polluted lakes and streams. Some of these bacteria also can grow as a photolithoautotrophs with molecular hydrogen as an electron donor. You just you will have to just remember like representative microorganisms. Just you will have to learn the name and their sign. Like purple and green bacteria is a sulfur bacteria, and the name is a cyanobacteria. Okay, it's a cyanobacteria. And purple non-sulfur bacteria, green non-sulfur bacteria. Okay. And yeah, and chemolithotropes organisms like sulfur oxidizing bacteria, hydrogen oxidizing bacteria, and iron oxidizing bacteria. And the last one is the most non-photosynthetic microbes, including most pathogens, fungi, and many protists and archaea. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. फंस गए बच्चे बेचारे माइक्रो में आके. I know it's a dry subject and it's a boring subject, but you will have to tolerate.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur.
Yeah, requirements for nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. To grow, up here we are talking about like the growth and reproduction of microorganisms. So to grow and reproduce a microorganism must be able to incorporate large quantities of nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur, although these elements may be acquired from the same nutrients that supply carbon. Microorganisms usually employ inorganic source as well. So nitrogen is needed for the synthesis of, here we are talking like a nitrogen. So nitrogen is needed for the synthesis of amino acids, purine, pyrimidine. Okay. Do you remember purine and pyrimidine as we studied in the biochemistry?
Yes.
Okay. Shame on you. Thoda thoda. Exams में भी ना थोड़ा थोड़ा marks लाना. थोड़ा थोड़ा.
No, ma'am.
नहीं,
आप
भूल
थोड़ा
गया.
full marks दी है.
Okay. So some carbohydrates and lipids, enzymes, cofactors, and other substances. Okay. So nitrogen is needed for the synthesis of amino acids, synthesis of purines, pyrimidines, and carbohydrates, some carbohydrates and lipids, enzymes, cofactors, and other substances. If these things are not present in the cell, so its cell can be dry. And after all, as a result, it may be dead. So many microorganisms can use the nitrogen in amino acids. Okay.
So, ma'am,
Most phototropes.
ma'am, sorry. Ma'am,
Sorry.
can I leave now?
Sorry.
I feel sick, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Email.
Who
Ma'am,
is saying?
Ma'am, Ariful I am.
Ariful Haq, email.
Arifullah. Okay.
Because leave now.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
As you wish.
Now give me my attendance.
Just remember, next Thursday you will have to come, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And get well soon.
Thank
And
you.
be prepared for your exam.
Email. Ma'am,
All the best.
দোয়া চাই যা যেন নেক্সট ক্লাসে যেন সুস্থ হয়ে যাস.
Inshallah, all of
Inshallah.
you will be successful.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay. Walaikum salam. So most phototropes and many chemotropic microorganisms reduce nitrate to ammonia and incorporate the ammonia in a process known as a assimilatory nitrate reduction. So a variety of bacteria, many cyanobacteria. Just remember the cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is the most important bacteria. And when you will study the microbiology, you will everywhere this cyanobacteria. It's the most common bacteria which is present in our environment. And symbiotic bacterium rhizobium can assimilate atmospheric nitrogen by reducing it to ammonia. This is called nitrogen fixation. Okay, cyanobacteria and rhizobium bacteria, when they use nitrate, reduce nitrate to ammonia. Okay, so then it takes the nitrogen from the atmosphere by reducing it and form the ammonia. Okay, this process is called a nitrogen fixation. So phosphorus, next is a phosphorus is present in a nucleic acid, phospholipids, nucleides. What's the nucleides? Such as ATP, adenotriphosphates, several cofactors, some proteins, and other cell components. Almost all microorganisms use inorganic phosphate as their phosphorus source and incorporate it directly. Low phosphate levels can limit microbial growth. Low phosphate, just remember, low phosphate levels can limit microbial growth in aquatic environment. Some microbes like Escherichia coli, it can be, you can call this like E. coli in the short form, E. coli. Okay, use both organic and inorganic phosphate. And for your information, E. coli is the UTI. It's a bacteria which causes a urinary tract infection. It's a main, yeah. It's a major which causes the UTI. And some organophosphatase, such as hexose 6-phosphatase, are taken up directly by the cell. Other organophosphates are hydrolyzed in the peristalsis by the enzyme alkaline phosphate to produce inorganic phosphate, which then is transported across the plasma membrane. Obviously, the enzymes and the phosphate, alkaline phosphate, and the inorganic phosphate, it is transported across the plasma membrane. Okay. And when we're talking about the sulfur, so sulfur is needed for the, sulfur is required for the synthesis of substances such as amino acids, cysteines, and methionine, some carbohydrates, some carbohydrate, biotin, and thymine. Most microorganisms use sulfate as a source of sulfur. After reducing it, a few microorganisms require a reduced form of sulfur such as cysteine. Okay. Now next is the 6.5 growth factor. Some are understand? Any problem?
No problem.
Hmm?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Just tell me. If you have any problem, then tell me. Any problem? Rakibul Islam, Ranju, please come on the cam. Ranju, please come on the cam.
Sorry, miss. Actually, one of my important messages was come to my mobile, so just I have to send them this message. Sorry, extreme sorry.
Okay, no problem. So now we studies. Do you have any problem? The previous lecture.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ranju,
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, please.
do you have any problem?
No, just I understood very clearly what you are trying to understand. I am clear about
Okay.
your speech.
That's
Thank you
good.
so much. Yes.
Okay. Now come to the next growth factor. Here we are talking about the growth. of microorganisms. So some microorganisms like the enzymes or biochemical pathway needed to synthesize all cell components directly from macro elements and trace elements. So बहुत से organism, okay, Ransu, I
Yes,
would
please.
like, I want to say something that some students cannot understand English very well. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so here I will speak like Urdu, some like Hindi, and like English.
Okay, please. I will enjoy.
Okay.
I will enjoy, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, please don't mind.
No, it's okay. Please.
Okay. क्योंकि इन घोड़ों को समझाने में आसानी रहती है स्पेशली ये जो पीएचडी वाले महमूदुल हसन.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So some microorganisms.
Yeah, excuse me, Mahmoud Hassan already completed PhD, right? Now what you are saying?
No. I'm just taunting. Hindi मैं सिर्फ तंज मार रही हूँ. Okay, come to the point.
Yeah.
Madam, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, from my university, another important call. Just for 1 minute. Can you give me the time?
Okay,
1
no
minute.
problem.
Please continue.
Okay.
ठीक है संजू भाई.
हाँ, okay. लगेगा कॉल पे कोई मसला नहीं, आगे हम पढ़ते हैं. क्या बदतमीजी है.
ये तो होना ही था.
Okay, so some microorganisms like the enzymes or biochemical pathway. तो कुछ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म ऐसे होते हैं जिनको एंजाइम्स या बायोकेमिकल्स की जरूरत होती है सिंथेसाइज करने के लिए, उनके सेल कंपोनेंट्स के लिए, जो डायरेक्टली करते हैं किससे, मैक्रो एलिमेंट से और ट्रेस एलिमेंट से. आप समझ में आ रहा होगा, ठीक है? Therefore, they must obtain these constituents or their precursor from the environment. Organic compounds that are essential cell components. अब इसमें क्या है, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेल कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे such as a components but cannot synthesize. वो इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं लेकिन वो सिंथेसाइज नहीं करते बाय द ऑर्गेनिजम्स, यानी ऑर्गेनिज्म उसको सिंथेसाइज नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन वो ऑर्गेनिज्म बहुत जरूरी भी होते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसको क्या कहते हैं, ग्रोथ फैक्टर. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
these organisms are called growth factor. So there are
very important topics.
So there are three major classes of growth factor. Three major classes कौन कौन सी बता चुकी हूँ. अमाइनो एसिड्स हैं, प्यूरिन्स हैं, पैरामिडीन्स हैं और विटामिन्स हैं. कार्बोहाइड्रेट, अमाइनो एसिड्स, प्यूरिन एंड पैरामिडीन्स एंड विटामिन्स. अब अमाइनो एसिड्स में क्या होता है, अमाइनो एसिड्स को जरूरत होती है. प्यूरिन और पैरामिडीन किसके लिए होता है, न्यूक्लिक एसिड सिंथेसिस के लिए होता है. ठीक है, और विटामिन्स किसके लिए, विटामिन्स आर स्मॉल ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल्स है जिसको जो को एंजाइम के लिए को फैक्टर के लिए यूज होता है. ठीक है, और इसका फंक्शन क्या होता है, द फंक्शन ऑफ सेलेक्टेड विटामिन्स. विटामिन्स होते हैं स्मॉल ऑर्गेनिक मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं दैट जो यूजुअली जो बनाते हैं एज एंजाइम का कोफैक्टर यूज होते हैं, और ये सिर्फ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट में उसकी ग्रोथ, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत ही स्मॉल अमाउंट में ये रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं. अच्छा, और क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है, 6.3 तो पढ़ लिया था ना हमने, 6.3 पढ़ा था ना, 6.2 पढ़ा था.
6.2.
अच्छा, अब 6.3 पे आ जाओ नीचे. इसमें देख लो, हाँ विटामिन्स की देख ले. ठीक है, कौन कौन से विटामिन है, विटामिन B12 है, फॉलिक एसिड है, विटामिन B6 है, निकोटिनिक एसिड है, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
हाँ, विटामिन
Yeah.
B1, B2, B6,
Yeah.
B12, ओके?
Yes.
अच्छा, बस आगे यही लिखा हुआ है। और इसमें इन्होंने विटामिन का बता दिया कि कौन कौन से वो सॉल्युबल हैं, कौन कौन से नहीं हैं। अच्छा, अब इसमें इन्होंने बताया कि सम ऑर्गेनिजम्स रिक्वायर्ड मेनी विटामिन्स लाइक एंटेरोकोकस facilii needs 8 different vitamins for their growth. Other growth factors include heme, which is required for Haemophilus influenza, which is called the flu, influenza virus. So that virus name is the Haemophilus influenza, and cholesterol, which is needed by the mycoplasma. Some microorganisms are able to synthesize large quantities of vitamins needed by humans. और कुछ organisms जो होते हैं वो इस काबिल होते हैं कि वो सिंथेसाइज करें लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ विटामिन की बहुत सारी क्वांटिटीज को लेके वो ह्यूमन से लेके करेंगे, यानी यूज करते हैं ह्यूमन बॉडी से, कंज्यूम करते हैं. So these microbes can be used manufacture these vitamins for human use. Several water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins are produced partially or completely using industrial fermentation. Example of such vitamins and the microorganisms that synthesize them are riboflavin, coenzyme A, vitamin B12. Just highlight this thing. Just highlight vitamins
Yes, ma'am.
and the microorganisms that synthesize like riboflavin, coenzyme A, vitamin B12, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Now come to the uptake of nutrients. Ranju, just look at this 6.3. Okay. This is the vitamins.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, just read this 6.3 and the last paragraph of like some organisms are able to synthesize the vitamins. Okay. Now come to the next. Uptake of nutrients. After class, you can read. The first step in the nutrient used to is their uptake by the microbial cell. Uptake mechanism must be specific, that is the necessary substances and not others must be acquired. It does a cell not a good uptake in a substance that it cannot be used because microorganisms are often in nutrient poor habitats but must be able to nutrient from dilute solution in a cell against concentrated. So here the most important of these are facilitated diffusion, active transport. Here's the uptake of nutrients. Here we are studying the uptake of nutrients. So from diffusion, active transport, facilitated diffusion, and group translocation, and eukaryotic microorganisms do not appear to employ group translocation but take up nutrients by the process of endocytosis. Okay, this process is like facilitated diffusion, active transport. Okay, active transport, facilitated diffusion, translocation. Okay, this is the process through which the nutrients is uptake. So passive diffusion, a few substances like such as a glycerol can cross the plasma membrane by passive diffusion. Okay, passive diffusion also called as like a simple diffusion. This is the very simple and facilitated diffusion are also just read this. Okay, आप लोग खुद पढ़ लोगे इसको,
Yes, ma'am.
फिर मैं आगे कंटिन्यू करूं. इसकी बस हाईलाइट पढ़ लेना कि ये प्रोसेस क्या है, ये क्या है, इसमें ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है, आप लोग उस पर पढ़ चुके हो कि जिसमें एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट क्या होता है, ठीक है ना. ट्रांसलोकेशन क्या होता है कि उसमें एटीपी और फॉस्फेट ट्रांसफेरेज होता है, जो एटीपी का और एडीपी का होता है, पायरुवेट बनता है, जो आप पढ़ चुके हो आप लोग. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
कोई मसला तो नहीं होगा? अगर कोई मसला हो तो पूछ लेना मुझसे बाद में,
कोई मसला नहीं होगा.
होना भी नहीं चाहिए.
Masla.
Like culture media.
अच्छा, अब पढ़ना है हमने ये आयरन टेक. इसके बाद आप लोगों ने ये आयरन टेक का पढ़ना है, और वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स में था, उसमें बस ये कौन सा किस तरह से होगा, और आयरन टेक का आप लोगों ने पढ़ना है. ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट है कल्चर मीडिया. अब कल्चर मीडिया क्या होता है?
Culture media is the artificial growth of microorganism.
ये किसने बताया है?
Maidul Islam.
ओ गुड.
He is very, very, very intelligent boy.
Good. So culture media, microbiology researches depend largely on the ability to grow and maintain microorganism in the laboratory. Culture media वो होता है कि हमने एक ऐसा environment देना होता है जिसमें organism, कोई भी organism जो हो वो उसमें क्या कहते हैं, उसमें grow कर ले. उसको एक favorable environment दिया जाता है जिसमें उसके लिए temperature, pH, everything देखा जाता है कि वो उसमें suitable हो. ठीक है. सो जो माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में रिसर्च हुई थी तो उसमें उन्होंने ये देखा था कि एबिलिटी टू ग्रो एंड मेंटेन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इन द लेबोरेटरी, कि किस तरह से आप मेंटेन कर सकते हैं और ऑर्गेनिजम्स को ग्रो कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज पॉसिबल ओनली इफ सुटेबल. अब ये पॉसिबल कब हो सकता है? पॉसिबल जब ही हो सकता है ओनली this is possible only if suitable culture media are available. A culture medium is a solid. अब इसमें क्या होता है, culture medium क्या होता है? Culture medium is a solid or liquid preparation to grow, transport and store microorganism. अब culture media solid में भी हो सकता है, liquid में भी हो सकता है, दोनों सूरतों में हो सकता है. और इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, ऑर्गेनिज्म को ग्रो करते हैं, उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. यानी ट्रांसपोर्ट मतलब उसको न्यूट्रिएंट्स, you will have to give them all nutrients, also favorable conditions like pH, all nutrients, okay, which is necessary for the organism for their growth. So transport and store microorganisms to be effective. Okay, and store microorganisms to be effective. The medium must contain all the nutrients the microorganism required for the growth. Specialized media are essential in the isolation and identification of microorganisms. Okay, specialized media are used is essential for the isolation and identification of microorganisms, the testing of antibiotic sensitivities. Okay, कोई भी किसी को कोई डिजीज होती है तो उसको किस तरह से कल्चर करते हैं, यानी वो कल्चर लेते हैं, उसके ऊपर एंटीबायोटिक को रखते हैं, फिर देखते हैं कि ये ऑर्गेनिज्म है, ये इस मेडिसिन से इसका क्योर होगा, इससे इस पेशेंट को ट्रीट किया जाएगा, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए हम ये मेडिसिन एंटीबायोटिक की सेंसिटिविटी देखते हैं कि वो ऑर्गेनिज्म किस एंटीबायोटिक से वो ज्यादा सेंसिटिव है। लाइक वाटर and food analysis, industrial microbiology and other activities. Although all the microorganisms need sources of energy, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and various minerals, the precise composition and satisfactory medium depend on the species one is trying to cultivate because nutritional requirement. Frequently, a medium is used to select and grow specific microorganism or to help identify a particular species. Media can also be specifically designed to enrich for microbes in a sample of nature. The resulting culture is known as the enrichment culture. Okay? कोई भी कल मीडिया ऐसा बना है जो एक खास ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल किसी को बुखार हो गया टाइफाइड के लिए, अब हमने देखना है कि टाइफाइड है भी कि नहीं है, तो उस ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए एक खास, पीछे बहुत डिस्टरबेंस हो रही है किसी के, तो उसके लिए कोई खास मीडिया बनाया जाता है जिसपे हम ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं कि ये ऑर्गेनिज्म कौन सा है। ओके, so it can be used to isolate a species of interest for study in the lab. Culture media can be classified based on several parameters: the chemical constitution from which they are made, their physical nature, and their function. The types of media defined by these parameters are described here. Just look at the 6.4 types of media. There is a basis of classification: chemical composition, physical nature, and function. Up chemical, what is the chemical composition? Defined synthetic or complex. Okay, complex. What is the complex? What is a complex?
Synthetic complex.
Complex compound which contain the ligand with a 3D orbitals metal in the compound and with access the, for example, tetraamine or cupric 2 plus ion. This is also a complex compound.
Okay, so here we are talking about like a chemical composition for the media.
Complex means
Those substances which cannot be synthesized. Okay,
yes.
defined. Here we are talking about like synthetic, and other one is a
Non-synthetic.
complex. You can say non-synthetic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is a chemical composition. If you use any chemical for make the agar, for make the culture, for the make the media, so there should be this is the you can say क्या बोलेंगे इसको, classification या property आप कह सकते हो. You can see the property that they can be defined, maybe synthetic, and they can be complex. Okay, and the physical nature, now come to the physical nature. They may be liquid, they may be solid, and they may be semi-solid. 3 states of matter like a liquid, semi-solid, or maybe solid. And function, supportive, general purpose, enriched, and selective differential. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now Okay, just to look at this table 6.6. It's a very long class from 8:30 to about 10. Just look at the 6.6. Okay, some common complex media. Okay, so nutrient broth is a common is a media which is used for the growth of microorganism. So peptone amount yani gram per liter, you will take the gram per liter. Peptone 5 gram per liter, okay, to make the nutrient broth. And beef extract, you know, beef it may be taken from the animal.
Yes.
That beef, yeah, beef extract, the 3 gram per liter. Tryptic soya broth, tryptone. What is a tryptone? It's a pancreatic digest of casein. Pancreas is used. Peptone, soybean digest, 3 gram per liter. Glucose, sodium chloride, dipotassium phosphate. Okay.
Okay.
I think we will continue in the next class. Okay. Like from the functional types of media, in which we study a supportive media, enriched media. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait. Let me. Wait. Mahmudul Hassan, please tell me the another student's name for attendance. Just wait.
MD Marufujjaman.
Wait. Wait, bacha, wait. Ranju, any problem?
It's okay, ma'am. It's okay.
No. I mean, do you have any problem in the class?
No, just I understood all the things clearly, and I enjoy a lots of your class. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. Actually, microbiology is a very dry subject,
Yeah.
so it's a very necessary.
Yeah, I know.
Just to make a fun, like some entertainment during this class.
Yeah, no, it's okay. It's a very enjoyable class, ma'am. I enjoy your class.
No, listen, if I will not do this, so just look at the Mahmudul Hassan, just look at the Raqibul Islam, everyone like just like fighting with each other.
I
Look at this.
understand. Okay,
Yeah.
I will
Microbiology
communicate
is
with
a
them.
very helpful subject.
Huh? What are you saying?
Microbiology, this topic is very harmful subject.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि इसका साकिन आया है ना?
সাকিন তারপরে সাইদুল
wait.
ওকে
साकिन और
আরিফুল হক হিমেল
Marufujjaman.
wait इनका नाम मुझे ऐड करना है. नाम क्या है उनका? रांझू को भी नाम ऐड करना है.
Ma'am, I am just not present in first class, but all class is present.
No, you was absent like last
First class
2
absent,
to
ma'am.
3 class.
Just
No.
ও ওকে আচ্ছা কে
Wait, just
Raqibul
write down
Islam.
his name. Ransu. He's busy. I know. Raqibul Islam is busy. He was very busy on Facebook. He was very busy to post his pictures. Oh my God, he was very busy. He doesn't have any time for this.
No, ma'am.
It's
Ma'am,
Ransu.
network.
Okay. So, Ariful Haq present ना? आए सब आए, क्या बात है? और कौन है? रुकुन है? मारूफ you was
Marufuzzaman. Only Marufuzzaman.
Ma'am, last 2 class I was attend, but I don't know counted.
अब्दुल बाकी है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Abdul Baki hai.
Okay. Okay, and कौन है? रुकुन नहीं है ना? आया है? Sorry, I'm sorry.
Rukunuzzaman
Okay,
hai.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, no, I didn't see you. I'm sorry. You're present. Okay. So, Mahmudul Hassan, Sakin, Ariful Haq, Raqibul Islam, Rukun, Mayadul Islam, Animesh, and he has gone, Maruf, and Abdul Baki and Ranzu.
Ma'am, Muhammad Ali Jinnah present
Okay.
in the class till now.
Muhammad
Ali Jinnah.
Muhammad Ali. Oh. He was present last class.
He was present A to Z in whole class.
A to Z.
No. Wait. Yes. Sorry, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Yeah.
Yeah.
12. No. 11 students. Okay. So, inshallah, on Thursday, okay, I will tell you the time. Your administrator will tell you the time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And we will
Inshallah,
we will
provide
continue
this
from
sheet
here.
early. Ma'am. Hello. Provide this sheet in early.
बोलो बेटा, बोलो.
मैम शीट जल्दी दे दिए ना.
कौन सी?
लेक्चर शीट.
कौन सी शीट?
Lecture sheet. Today our lecture sheet.
मैं send तो किया है.
Last 2 class due.
Wait. Just wait. Now got it. Now got it.
Net buffering.
Have you this sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you this sheet? Have
Yeah.
you this sheet?
Yeah, yes.
I send you. Now this is the another sheet. Iron uptake, the nutrients uptake. So have you this sheet? Have you this sheet?
Hey, answer this.
Madam, I couldn't catch you, ma'am.
Hello? Do you have this sheet? Please tell me.
No,
What are
ma'am.
you doing?
No.
I sent you. I sent you.
Oh, car.
Oh,
मैम सेंड करছে কার কাছে করছে
आप लोगों को शीट मिली है? मैंने अभी जो सेंड की है.
I could not get it, ma'am.
मैम किसके पास क्या
Ranju,
yes, please.
have you got it?
No, not yet. But do you know my email ID? Or accept?
No, not on email ID. I'm
Oh.
sending here.
Sorry, I cannot understand, please.
I have shared some today lecture here.
Yeah.
Do you have?
Share, but
Yeah.
what way you are sharing this lecture, ma'am? By using what? You are on Living Studio, or you on the WhatsApp, or you on email, or what? What is the way? How we can
No,
get?
no. I'm talking. No, I'm talking. No, you can save this lecture. I
On
give
screen.
all the students here. Like महमूद
Hello?
हसन, इसको जरा समझाओ आप लोग अपनी उसमें.
মাহমুদ ভাই,
Yes, yes.
মাহমুদ
ma'am.
ভাই, ম্যাডাম যেটা বলছে যে আপনাকে মানে শীট কি কোন পদ্ধতি বা কিভাবে নেন শীটটা পেয়েছেন কি আপনারা?
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ শীট গুলো পাইছি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে সবগুলো আপলোড দেওয়া হয়।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে এই যে যদি পেয়ে থাকেন তাহলে ম্যাডামকে বলেন যে আমরা পেয়ে গেছি, দেন ইউ উইল সার্কুলেট ইট লেটার।
হ্যাঁ, আজকের যে ক্লাসটা হয়েছে সেই ক্লাসের লেকচারটা হয়তো 2-1 দিন পরে, ঠিক
আচ্ছা
আছে, প্রোভাইড করবেন।
মাহমুদ ভাই, ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট মাইন্ড, জাস্ট আপনি একটু যদি চট করে আপনার মোবাইল নাম্বারটা বলতেন, দেন আই উইল কল ইউ লেটার।
ঠিক আছে, 016
016।
Okay, I have to go. Okay.
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
मैम थैंक यू सो
No
मच।
problem. No problem.
मैम हेलो
If you
मैम,
have any
आपका
problem-
अम्मा जी की तबीयत कैसी है?
हाँ, अल्लाह का शुक्र है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. She is at home now.
ओके, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
बस आप लोगों की दुआएं हैं, अल्लाह का करम है. She is at home. Ranju,
यस यस मैम।
you know, महमूद हसन, अपनी उसमें अपनी लैंग्वेज में से समझाओ जरा.
ओके मैम।
इसको अपनी उसमें बताओ
रोजू भाई,
कि जब मेरी मदर हॉस्पिटल में थी, तब मैंने हॉस्पिटल से भी बैठ के आप लोगों की क्लास ली थी.
ম্যামের আম্মু যখন অসুস্থ ছিল, ম্যাডাম হসপিটাল থেকে আমাদের ক্লাস নিয়েছে।
Okay, I understood, ma'am. And actually, we are praying to Almighty Allah, praying to Almighty Allah for the early recovery of your mother. And it is my pleasure that you, the people who who continue your class at the present when your mother was admitted in the hospital, right? So really, this is actually, do you know that this is profession is a holy profession? So you just complete your responsibility. I am very much happy and very much grateful to you that to get such kind of wonderful lady as a teacher of myself. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just remembering your prayers, okay?
Inshallah. Fi amanillah.
And inshallah, all of you. Okay, inshallah, all of you will get success. Allah Hafiz.
Allah
আল্লাহ হাফেজ।
Allah
Okay.
Hafiz.
Mahmood bhai,
Take care. महमूद भाई बात करो भाई.
बात करो भाई. So, ma'am, just one thing. You are from which state of Pakistan?
Karachi.
Karachi. Do you know
Karachi.
Karachi University?
Yeah.
My Professor Iqbal Chaudhary is the director of Karachi University, ICC International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences. Professor Akhtar Rahman,
Oh.
the federal minister. Actually, he was is
Okay.
of my mentor.
I
of
was doing my project in the Karachi University, and I was doing. Okay.
Many of my
Okay.
well wishers
Allah
is there.
Hafiz.
Allah
Okay,
Hafiz.
ma'am. Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. तुम अपना नंबर देते रहो उसको.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
মাহমুদ ভাই, আমি ভাই উর্দু খুবই কম বুঝি ভাই, সত্য কথা। আচ্ছা মাহমুদ ভাই বলেন প্লিজ, আপনার নাম্বারটা বলেন, দেন আমরা কথা বলি।
বাংলা, ইংলিশ, উর্দু, হিন্দি মিলায়ে ক্লাস করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে?
আমি কেন না, আমি কিন্তু এনজয় করেছি, রিয়েলি আমি এনজয় করেছি এবং আমি শিখতে চাই।
ওয়েট এই বিজিএলসি ক্লাসগুলো রেকর্ড করে আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে আপলোড করা হয়। তো আমরা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে যাই, ঠিক আছে? এখান থেকে ডিসকানেক্ট করে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে যাই।
রঞ্জু ভাই আপনারা তো কেউ চিনে না, তো আপনার একটু পরিচয়টা সবাই জানতে চাচ্ছে, একটু যদি দিতেন।
ভাই আমি আপনাদের মতো একজন ছাত্র। আগে তুই থাম, আমি আগে মাহমুদ ভাইয়ের কাছে মোবাইল নাম্বারটা নিয়ে নিই। মাহমুদ ভাই মোবাইল নাম্বারটা দেন, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে আমার একটু সংযোগ করে নেন ভাই, এটা হলো কথা।
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে সব পাবেন।
আচ্ছা বলেন, আপনার মোবাইল নাম্বারটা বলেন আগে।
হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ মাহমুদ ভাই শুনতে পাচ্ছেন আমাকে? হ্যালো, ওকে স্যার। এই রাকিব।
জি স্যার।
এবারে তুই কি আসিস হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে আসিস?
হ্যাঁ স্যার আছি, আপনারা অ্যাড করে দিচ্ছি, সমস্যা নেই।
সে অ্যাড করে দিলি তো হয়ে
স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
ওয়ালাইকুম। এই বেটা সান নাই না ভাই ভাই। তোরা আমাদের
আমি করে দিচ্ছি স্যার।
ঠিক আছে। মা কেমন আছো?
স্যার আমি অবাক হয়ে গেছি স্যার। জি স্যার ভালো আছি, আপনি কেমন আছেন
না
স্যার?
এটা কিছু বলার দরকার নেই, চুপচাপ থাকো।
ওকে স্যার।
কাউরে কিছু বলে টলো না, তুমি যতটুকু জানো ততটুকু, ঠিক আছে?
এইটুকুই রাখো,
ওকে
চুপচাপ
ওকে
রাখো। হ্যাঁ
ওকে স্যার।
চুপচাপ করে আমরা একটু ক্লাস করি।
হ্যাঁ, যেটা বুঝতো না স্যারের কাছ থেকে বুঝায় নেবা।
না সেটা তো পরে।
না আমি তো অনেক খুশি যে স্যার, আমি প্রথম যখন অ্যাটেন্ড করি যে স্যারকে দিয়ে স্যার কেন এখানে, আবার রোকনের কাছে শুনলাম যে স্যার না আমি তো অবশ্যই জানি, মানে জানবো
না জানবে তো রোকন তোকে ইনফর্ম করে ভালো করছে না, অসুবিধা নেই। শোনো বাকি আমরা মাঝে মাঝে এখন, আগে তো স্যার ছাত্র ছিলাম, এখন বন্ধু হিসেবে এক জায়গায় বসবে। আজকে যেমন আড্ডা দিলাম, অনেকদিন পরে বাইরে হয়েছিলাম। তো যাই হোক, ডোন্ট ওয়ারি, বাট আমার যেটা রিকোয়েস্ট থাকবে টু অল অফ ইউ, প্লিজ ডোন্ট সার্কুলেট ইট আদারওয়াইজ, মানে অন্য কারো কাছে এটা সার্কুলেট করবে না, এটাই আমার রিকোয়েস্ট।
না স্যার না স্যার না স্যার,
এটা করবে না, নিজেদের মধ্যে থাকবে। আর অসুবিধা নাই, যে সিলেবাস গুলো বা যা যা আছে ওইগুলো আমি নিয়ে আমরা দরকারে একদিন বসবো না, বসে আমি তোমাদের সবাইকে বুঝাবো না, বুঝালে দেখা যাচ্ছে আমারও বোঝা হবে না, তোমাদের কাছে কিছু শুনে নিয়ে ভালো করতে হবে। যেহেতু আমরা কয়জন আছি, রাকিব, তুমি, রোকন আর
জি স্যার,
আর আমি, 4 জন হচ্ছে আমরা।
জি স্যার,
4 জন ইনশাআল্লাহ এ করবো না। আর ওই যে আর তো আর আমাদের কেমন হয় এদিকে নাই না?
না সমস্যা নেই স্যার, কোনো টেনশন করেন না, সবাই পায়ে যাবেন। হ্যাঁ
ইনশাআল্লাহ।
কিরকম লাগলো স্যার?
ওকে স্যার,
আমার ভালো লাগছে, রিয়েলি আমি এনজয় দ্য ক্লাস।
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম খুবই ভালো মানুষ।
ভালো, খাবো। ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ। তাহলে শোন রাকিব,
আমি আপনাকে ফেসবুকে ফোন দিচ্ছি স্যার।
ফেসবুকে ফোন দে। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে,
ওকে স্যার, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।